Hi, I'm Eli Castillo, and this is my project on Estonia. Estonia was first named for the first settlers of the regions. Estonia is 45,228 kilometers, and its capital city is Tallinn with a population of 445,259. Its currency is a krone, and one Estonian krone is worth $0.0773934 US dollars, and it is a republic. Its main product is oil shale, and its exports include wood, vehicles, and plastics. Its imports include telephones, cars, and petroleum. Estonian's official language is Estonian. Its main ethnic groups can be seen here, and its main religion is Christianity. It has a population of 1,326,942. Some Estonian foods include smoked fish, head cheese, rye bread. Some examples of architecture are as seen here. Estonian sports include soccer, basketball, volleyball, cycling, and judo. If you are from Estonia, you are Estonian. Some famous people include Mord Fustang, a DJ, Ilmar Raag, movie director, and Anu Tali, a conductor. Some flora and fauna found here are the tall buttercup, the Arctic bramble, and the tufted hair grass. It also has the Pepipsi laveret, as seen here, the Caspian tern, and the blindworm,